10 Natural Remedies for Men to Treat an Enlarged Prostate. Men entering midlife commonly experience an enlarged prostate, which can restrict the flow of urine from the bladder and lead to such problems as frequent urination, urine leakage and urinary tract infections. Here are 10 natural remedies for men to treat an enlarged prostate. 1. Eat pumpkin seeds. The crunchy snacks contain protective compounds called phytosterols, which may be responsible for shrinking the prostate, according to prevention. They also contain chemicals that may be beneficial for prostate health. 2. Make and drink watermelon tea, a beverage the Amish use to flush out the system, according to Aging Fit. Enjoy a slice of watermelon and spit the seeds into a cup. When you have 1/8 of a cup of watermelon seeds, put them in a 1-pint jar and fill it with boiling water. Let the tea cool, strain it and drink it. Drink 1 pint of tea every day for 10 days. 3. Prepare a drink made using silk from corn, a remedy Amish men have used for generations. Aging Fit suggests, when fresh corn is in season, cut the silk from 6 ears of corn. Put them in 1 quart of water, boil it, simmer for 10 minutes, and then strain it and drink. Drink 3 cups a week. 4. Acquire capsules from health food stores containing the extract of the berries of saw palmetto, a type of palm tree. The extract can reduce prostate enlargement by altering certain hormone levels. 5. Take capsules containing beta-sitosterol, a mixture taken from different plants that contain cholesterol-like substances called sitosterols, according to Healthline. Studies have found beta-sitosterol can relieve urinary symptoms of benign prostate enlargement. 6. Learn to eat and enjoy soy foods. Soy-based foods contain phytoestrogens, which are thought to help reduce testosterone production, which is believed to aggravate prostate cancer growth, according to Aging Fit. The phytoestrogens are thought to limit the growth of blood capillaries that form around tumors of the prostate. 7. Take capsules containing the extract of stinging nettle, which has been used to reduce symptoms of prostate problems in Europe for more than a decade, reports Aging Fit. The extract inhibits the binding of testosterone-related proteins to their receptor sites on prostate cell membranes. 8. Take capsules containing ryegrass pollen extracts made from any of 3 types of grass pollen, rye, timothy and corn, according to Healthline. This supplement seems to be especially helpful for preventing the need to get up during the night and use the bathroom. 9. Take capsules containing pyjum, which comes from the bark of the African plum tree and has been used to treat urinary problems since ancient times, reports Healthline. Studies have shown pyjum also helps reduce the number of trips to the bathroom, both during the day and at night. 10. Capsules containing garlic extract can be used to treat various conditions, including an enlarged prostate, according to menshealthreview.org. However, keep in mind that garlic may cause bad breath, heartburn, gas, nausea and diarrhea.